Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Science Kitchen. Today we're making a recipe inspired by the movie Knives Out. We're making Benoit Blanc's donut holes within a donut hole. Let's get right into that recipe.
The hole at the center of this donut. And what you and Harlan did that fateful night seems at first glance to fill that hole perfectly. A donut hole in a donut's hole. But we must look a little closer.
Right guys, so we're going to start with our mix. So we have some plain flour, which we sifted into our bowl. To this we're going to add some light brown sugar. So this is going to add a little bit of colour, a little bit of that molasses flavour in there as well. So just mix that through. Next are raising agents, so we've got baking powder and baking soda. So add that into our mix. And we've just got a little bit of sea salt. So that's all of our dry ingredients. Next up for the wet, so we've got milk here, whole egg. So just crack your egg. Madagascan vanilla extract, so about 5 grams, which is a couple of these capfuls. We're going to fatten up our mix with some butter and then into our mix around the outside, and that's our batter done. Time to form up our donuts. We've got a piping bag here. I just like to get that over a container like this, makes it slightly easier to get that involved. Pour this like that. There we go. Get that out of the way. And then we've got our donut pan. So just grease these little grooves in there. Chop off the top and pipe this into our donut trays. So, ready to bake. So here's our donuts fresh from the oven. Just going to turn this out. Next element, we're going to make our donut holes using our pan. So flip the pan over, got these beautiful little holes right there. So shift our donuts to the side. There we go. A little bit more of our donut mix over here. Pipe. Fill up your donut holes. Here we go. And let's get these in the oven. See, beautiful. And they're just going to fit in our donut. How cool is that? A really quick icing for our donuts. We've got icing sugar, to which we add milk. Stir that to combine until you get a thick, extra thick cream consistency. Now our pink gel food colour, and bring that to your desired colour you would like for your finished donut. So we've got our donuts ready to go, our icing, also got some sprinkles. So let's get decorating. I selected 3 of my best looking donuts for this shot. Confidently place and just twizzle that into your icing and turn, flick, get off any excess. Beautiful. Repeat the step for the rest of your donuts until they've got a nice coverage and look like this. And next, sprinkles. Drizzle from height onto your donut. Perfect. But what about the donut hole? Here it is. Just going to place our donut hole inside our donut. Done. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. If you have, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.
And when we do, we see the donut hole has a hole in its center. It is not a donut hole, but a smaller donut with its own hole. And our donut is not a hole at all.